Hello, fellow Spencer because there's one here, and welcome back to Tornado Survival. Now, I've got to chop some trees down. Kind of unsure on what my options are here. Okay. There we are. There we are. Shouldn't need this any longer. Whoa. Oh, come on. This is gonna get harder and harder to chop down wood. There's like a problem with my wind staging. I've like looked at it. My wind staging's very weird. It just like it constantly has to go up to the max. It never dies off at a low stage. It never stays on a low stage very long. I really don't know what the issue with that is. Ooh, pumpkins. Ugh. It's a little bit of an issue I've been having. Okay, I think that might be able to do for the wood. Yeah, I think we'll have enough wood left to finish up here. Yeah. Now next we're gonna go mining for a while, hopefully get enough cobblestone to get a tornado shelter going. Part of tornado survival is its tornado shelter. Crap, I need more than whatever. Oh, I just need more wood, period. Chopping woods is gonna get harder and harder. Oh boy. There we are. Need to bring a separate one of these. Now the next thing to do is find the cave. I'll actually look. I'll go to the village to look at the cave to see if there's a cave there. Oh wow, these are like really shallow ponds. We're gonna need to just go ahead and Oh, there's one right here. Oh wow, iron right at the beginning. That's gonna come in handy. There we are. More iron. That's creepy. God dang, I'm starting to have flashbacks of that one Minecraft Herobrine series thing known as the Haunted, or the Haunting. Oh boy. Luckily, wind doesn't blow in caves. Whoa. Yikes. Whoa. What the hell? Oh shit. Whoa. Dude. That is awesome. Ah! Dude, we're at the bottom right now. Oh god. We're at the bottom. Gold. We're gonna have a siren by episode 3. I just know it. Actually, no, we're gonna have a siren this episode, maybe. Oh, crap. Ah. Okay. What the? Oh, I thought that lit up for some reason. Like, what the fuck? Oh, there's some coal right there. Oh, okay. go. I can very well see it's getting late. Duh. What the? No. Okay, we can do this now. Oh, crud. Even 1 gold can help us, I believe, with the siren. A bolt. Oh, never. Well, we got lots of gold. Got lots and lots of gold. No, I'm not leaving my. I'm not leaving my iron. I know I'm close to it. Lighting glitch, anyone? So this is a dead end. Ooh. Redstone, the final ingredient for our tornado siren. I didn't even think about we didn't have redstone. Ooh, unlucky. Mean unlucky. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like the fact. Give me that redstone. Yay. Okay, let's get the hell out of here. Oh, there's more here. There's more of a caving here. More redstone. Ick. I may want to actually grab my diamonds before we head for this. Or not the diamonds, but because there is no diamonds. I do know there are diamonds in that one thing, dude. Everyone here knows what I'm talking about. Diamonds in the village chest. Next priority, by the way, is to find a way out of here. I'm pretty sure I've already explored this part here. I'd say it's time to go on up. I don't know how I missed this. Unless I didn't come by here before. That would make perfect sense. What the hell? Why is there wind in the cave? Hold on, this might not actually be the right way. Oh, ow. Maybe it is and I just took a wrong turn. I have not been this way before. Oh my god, the iron. Kinda like to get out of this cave now. Please. I don't have to start digging up. It's exactly what I'm gonna have to do. Wait. Oh, maybe it's the... Nope. Just random dirt down here. Oh, that's sad. It's a real crying shame. I think we're starting to hit. Yeah. Oh. Oh shit! We've hit rock bottom. I repeat, we have hit rock bottom. I can't get out. Okay. Dude, I legit cannot get out right now. Oh my god, I'm gonna... Dude, hurry. Go. Oh my god. I can't even get out of that. Wait. Or maybe I can. Nope. Can't. What the hell? I can't. Oh my god. Do not drown. Do not drown. Do not drown. Do not drown. We're gonna have to find another way out. I can't get out this way. The water's too forceful. Come on. What the hell? Hell with it, I can't get out. What the hell? I can't. Come on. Oh, come on, I can't even get up that block. Come on, I just need... What the fuck? Oh my god, what is wrong with this? I can't... Okay. I'm gonna have to pull on over in here. Nope, still can't. Gonna have to go a little bit more. Oh. Fucking finally. Holy shit. I don't know what was wrong with it. Well, let's go collect our diamonds. There everything is. Okay, we've earned this. We've earned the armor. Alright, you can't do that in 1.2. We've earned the 2 diamonds. We've even earned the chest. There we are. I don't know what's wrong with this. But anyways, I'm gonna end the episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and all that. And I will see you guys later. Bye.